बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप व्यूअर्स? उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे। हमारी आज की वीडियो है इकरा अजीज़ के हवाले से। अजीज़ हुसैन इज़ born on November 24, 1997 is a Pakistani actress working in Urdu television who is known for her portrayals from social to comic girl next door. She is a recipient of several accolades including 3 Lux Style Awards and 4 Hem Awards. Born on 24 November 1997, Karachi, Sindh, Pakistan. Occupation actress, years active 2014 to present. Spouse में यासिर हुसैन, married 2019, children 1. Aziz began her acting career in 2014 with किसे अपना कहें, followed by the 2015 drama Muqaddas and Mold. These earned her the Hem Award for Best Television Sensation. Subsequently, she has appeared in notable shows including Choti Si Zindagi 2016, Qurban 2018, Raqib Se and Khuda aur Mohabbat 3 both 2021. Aziz established herself with the 2018 social drama Ranja Kardi, which earned her critical praise and Lux Style Award for Best Actress. Critics and the comic portrayal of Aja Nazakat in Suno Chanda 2018, for which she won the Hem Award for Best TV Actress Popular and Lux Style Award for Best Actress Popular and Critics. The success was followed by a brief hiatus and poorly received dramas including Mannat Murad 2023 and Burns Road Ke Romeo Juliet. In addition to acting, she served as ambassador of several brands and products. Aziz is married to actor and writer Yasir Hussain, with whom she has a son. Early life. Aziz was born on 24th November 1997 in Karachi. She mentioned in interviews about her mother's struggles being a single parent. Ikra finished college while working but eventually left her studies to focus on acting in 2018. She talked about her plans to resume education in the next couple of years. Career. Early work 2014 to 2017. Aziz started her career when she was 14. She dabbled into acting with the help of her elder sister. She first auditioned as a television commercial model and was picked by talent agency Citrus. Aziz continues to appear in television commercials till date. Later, she was noticed by Hum TV co-producer Momina Duret, who offered her a role in her series Kise Apna Kahe. She acted along with Arish Fatma, Danish Temmur, Shabir Jan, and other senior actors in the series. She followed her acting career with a lead role in another Hum TV drama series Muqaddas, an adaptation of Adil Razak novel of the same name. The series proved to be breakthrough for her and she received Hum Award for Best Television Sensation Female. The series also received mixed reviews and was nominated for Best Television Play at annual Lux Style Awards. In the same year, she appeared as a parallel lead in Ilyas Kashmiri's Mole. In 2016, she was seen in a leading role in Socha Na Tha and Deewana. In the later, she played the character of a Meher Sultana Mehru, who befriends the mischievous but loving Jin Falak Shehroz Sabzwari and eventually falls in love with him. Aziz subsequently did a supporting role of Marina Zaman in Ahmed Bakhti director Kise Chahu and a parallel lead role of Manat Chaudhary in Laj. Her on-screen chemistry with Shehzad Sheikh and Choti Si Zindagi was praised and both received a nomination for Best On-Screen Couple. The series also garnered her a nomination for Best Actress at Hum Awards. Aziz then starred in Gustakh Ishq opposite Zahid Ahmed and did a guest appearance in 2017 series Dile Janam. She appeared in Ghairat series based on honor killing along with Sayyid Jibran and Munib Bhatt, and in romantic drama Khamoshi opposite Zara Noor Abbas, Afan Waheed and Bilal Khan, the latter of which was critically a commercial hit. In Khamoshi, Aziz played the character of a Naima, an arrogant, greedy and career-driven girl. Her role as antagonist was praised. A reviewer from Mango Bars wrote, the way she has portrayed Naima character so well that you can't help but hate her. Aziz walked the ramp for designer Aisha Farid's collection Crystalline on Hum TV Bridal Culture Week. In early January 2018, she wrapped up the shooting of an Urdu music video O Jana with Hamza Malik and Rahat Ali Fateh Khan, which was released in July 2018, and did a special appearance in Asim Azhar music video Jo Tu Na Mile. Breakthrough in Suno Chanda and Beyond 2018 to present. The following year, Aziz collaborated with Shehzad Sheikh for the second time alongside Bilal Abbas Khan and Omer Rana in an iDream Entertainment's Qurban. She appeared as Heer, a bubbly and a bright girl hailing from a rich household, and was seen in Love Triangle opposite Sheikh and Khan. She portrayed the role of Ajay Nazakat Jia in Suno Chanda, which was a finite series during Ramadan 2018. She was paired opposite Farhan Saeed. Aziz and Saeed were the praised for their on-screen chemistry. The series received mixed reviews and earned her a nomination for Best Television Actress at Lux Style Awards. In an interview, Aziz said that she was overwhelmed and was not accepting the series to be the massive hit. She played the role of Tabir on Hum TV's Tabir. Ahmad Saryam of the Express Tribune states that at such a young age, Aziz has already proven her mettle through a wide range of characters from the exuberant Jia to vampish Naima in Khamoshi and the titular character of Tabir. She then appeared in Faiza Iftikhar Ranja Ranja Kardi. Her role as a Noori belonged to the lower caste of Untouchables was praised by critics. Burak Shabir of the News International stated, popularly known as Fista Jia from the Suno Chanda and now the equally fiery Noori in Ranja Ranja Kardi has sparked. In 2019, she appeared in Suno Chanda 2, a sequel of Suno Chanda, which is an Ehsan Talash, directed and produced by MD Production. The year 2020, she starred as Nirma in ARY digital dramatic Jhooti, which received negative response and underperformed in ratings. In 2021, Aziz was seen playing Amira in the social drama Rakib Se, which starred on an ensemble cast of Noman Ejaz, Hadida Kayani, and Sania Saeed. It received rap response from critics and earned her a nomination at Lux Style Awards for Best Actress. Later in that year, she starred in the highly anticipated romantic drama Khuda Aur Mohabbat 3 opposite Feroz Khan. It gained high viewership and became second most watched Pakistani television series on YouTube, with negative reviews from critics of its problematic plot. Writing for Odini opined, people are not sure if Khuda or Mohabbat 3 is a drama or a trauma. All I can say is that we can have high expectations, but it does not mean any of that. After a brief hiatus, Aziz made her television comeback with Jio Entertainment family comedy drama Manat Murad opposite Talha Chahoor, directed by Syed Wajid Hussain. The show panned by critics for its repetitive storyline, performance of leads, and development. In a view stated, it's bad and you wouldn't even watch it beyond 15 minutes, and also dislike the chemistry between the lead pair if it wasn't for Ikra's repetition, but even that isn't enough to salvage it. In 2024, she starred in a revised digital romantic comedy drama Burns Road Ke Romeo Juliet opposite Hamza Sohail. In 2025, she appeared in romantic comedy television series Paradise along with Shuja Asad. Other work and media image. Aziz has been described in the media among Pakistan's most popular and highest paid actresses. In September 2018, she won the Most Stylish TV Actor Award at the Hum Style TV Style Awards. She also performed on Hum Style Awards along with Farhan Saeed. She served as an ambassador for a number of brands such as 7up, Nestle, Cadbury, and National Foods. In November 2018, she paired with a model Hasnain Lahari to launch Oppo's A7 in Pakistan. She was also the brand ambassador for the same year. She was named in the top 10 sexiest Asian women list by Eastern Eye and most searched people of Google Pakistan in 2018. After the success of Ranja Ranja Kardi and Suno Chanda, she was cited by the News International as playing an inspirational female character on Pakistani television. In July 2019, controversy arose after few pictures of Ikra's vacation in Thailand, circa 2018, wherein she was dressed in beach-style minimal clothing. The clothes garnered negative reaction on social media, and her sister Sidra Aziz took to Twitter to express her comfort over the negative comments. She was also appeared as a guest in serials and talk shows. Her first guest appearance was in Jago, Pakistan, Jago in 2015. In 2018, she appeared as a guest in the Afternoon Show, a comedy talk show, and Tonight with HSY. In May 2018, Aziz became a victim of news after breaching contract with the citrus talent Fahad Hussain, head of citrus talent. States Aziz breached an agreement that states the latter has to slowly work in projects approved by the talent agency. She has, however, signed contract and deal with another PR agency despite being reminded of the first contract. In response, Aziza denies the allegation, saying Fahad never provided her with a copy of the agreement and she breached and used to delay her rightful payments for many months. Later, later the dispute of solved by their lawyers, on which both sides. We want to thank our lawyers for mediating between us and resolving our issues which arose due to miscommunication and misunderstanding. Also, we have both mutually decided to continue working with each other in the future. So, guys, we are back with the bang. Personal life. On 7 July 2019, at the 18 Lux Tale Awards, Aziz became engaged to actor and writer Yasser Hussain. On 28 December 2019, Aziz married Hussain. In July 2021, Aziz gave birth to their son. मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको आज की हमारी ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। मजीद वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारा चैनल लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना मत भूलें। दुआओं में हमें याद रखें। आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।